Holly and Scott with the latest update on our big home transformation in San Clemente. We're going to show you guys today what we've been doing with the ceiling treatment in what's called the soffit area, right, Scott?
Right.
I'm going to let you take it away. So tell them what has been going on here with all of this wood treatment.
So we wanted to dress up the ceilings, or what they call the lid. You know, ceiling construction, they call it a lid. So we didn't want to just have a big field of stucco here. We wanted to have, you know, an accent, a design feature. So we selected this hardwood. It's yellow balau. It's really pretty. And then they're painstakingly installing it. Each piece is tongue and groove, so there's a groove, and the next one,
Yeah, you can show.
here's the groove of one, and the next piece has a little thing that insits in there and clicks together, and then it's designed to sit like 1/8 of an inch apart. I don't know if you can see that. So all the lines are that. So it kind of locks in like that, but it's blind screwed, so they screw it in here into the wood so that you don't see the screws. Anyway, so it's awesome. It looks fantastic. So we're really excited about it.
Yeah, so next we're going to show you what is going on at the next level up and how it's actually wrapped around a beam.
Looking at this wood soffits that we're putting up, this is hardwood, a yellow balau wood, and it looks awesome. It's tongue and groove, so each piece clicks into the next one and into the next one, but they've also got to get screwed and nailed vertically, and it's blind nailed so that you can't see where the nails are or the screws. And then we've got to wrap it around this beam, so they come in and then they have another piece and another piece. These are 40 miter cut, so you know, if you look at them, they have to cut each piece on a angle and then the other piece so that it fits together and you get a nice 90 degrees. So it's painstaking work, but it's coming out awesome.